Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account with BingX. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so you've gone ahead and downloaded and installed the BingX mobile app from your Player App Store. From here, we simply need to open it up for the first time. Once you're here, you want to click Allow. And then on this page here, it says sign up or log in. So if you've already got an account, click on log in. Or if you don't, click on sign up. Then from here, we need to, where it says get started, we can either put in our email or phone number. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to use my email address and create a unique password for this app. So I'm going to get back to you after I've done this. And also, if you've got a referral code, you can jot that down here. And from here, click on sign up. And now you need to complete this captcha here. So just complete it. Verification successful. All right, and now we need to check our emails for the email verification 6-digit code. All right, I'm inside my emails. Here's the verification code here. If I scroll down, I'm going to copy this code and now paste this code back here. So I want to paste it. And now from here, you can enable passkeys, and you can also save this. If you've got a Samsung phone, I'm going to save this. And also I'm going to enable passkeys because it just makes logging in easier. Now I'm going to click create. I'm going to click on later here, and then I'm going to scan my fingerprint. And now once you've created your account, you need to verify your account. So if you're not sure how to verify your account, I will leave a link in the description below of how to verify your account.